If you are currently working in Canada on a temporary work permit and want to extend your stay, this video is for you. Welcome back to your favorite channel, Canada Migrate. In today's video, we're going to share 11 simple and effective ways to extend your Canada work permit. So, if you are ready to continue your journey in Canada, let's delve right into it. But before we proceed, subscribe to our channel if you haven't by clicking on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our latest immigration tips and updates. Alright, let's start with the first tip to extend your work permit in Canada. 1. Start early. It's crucial to begin the extension process early before your current work permit expires. Giving yourself ample time will allow you to gather the necessary documents, complete forms, and fulfill any additional requirements without rushing. 2. Review eligibility criteria. Take the time to carefully review the eligibility criteria for work permit extensions. Ensure that you meet the specific requirements such as maintaining valid status, having a job offer, and meeting language and skill requirements if applicable. 3. Gather supporting documents. Make a checklist of all the supporting documents you will need for your work permit extension. This may include your job offer letter, updated employment contract, proof of financial resources, and any other required documentation. Having everything ready beforehand will make the extension process smoother. 4. Submit a complete application. Double-check your application to ensure it's complete and accurate. Missing or incorrect information can lead to delays or even rejection. Take your time to carefully fill out the forms and provide all the required details as per the instructions provided by the immigration authorities. 5. Seek professional assistance. If you are unsure about the process or you want expert guidance, consider consulting with an immigration consultant or lawyer who specializes in work permit extensions. They can provide valuable advice, help you navigate through the complexities, and ensure your application is strong and well prepared. 6. Maintain status and compliance. While your work permit extension is in process, it's important to maintain your legal status in Canada. This means adhering to the rules and regulations, working within the specified conditions, and renewing other necessary permits such as your temporary resident visa, if required. 7. Apply for provincial nominee programs. Some Canadian provinces offer provincial nominee programs that can streamline the work permit extension process. Explore if your occupation and qualifications align with any PNP categories and take advantage of the opportunities they provide. 8. Explore LMIA exempt categories. Certain job categories are exempted from the labor market impact assessment process, which can simplify the work permit extension process. Research if your occupation falls under the LMIA exemptions and take advantage of these streamlined pathways. 9. Consider study work pathways. If you are interested in furthering your education, consider studying in Canada. Many student programs offer work opportunities such as postgraduate work permits, which can extend your stay in Canada while allowing you to gain valuable experience. 10. Explore spousal or common law sponsorship. If you have a Canadian spouse or partner, you may be eligible for spousal or common law sponsorship. This pathway can lead to a work permit extension or even permanent residency, providing you with the opportunity to continue living and working in Canada. The last on our list is stay informed and follow updates. Immigration regulations and policies can change over time. Stay up to date with the latest news, updates, and changes by regularly checking official sources and reputable immigration websites. This will ensure you have accurate information when extending your work permit in Canada. Before we say our goodbyes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so for more immigration tips and guidance. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with extending your work permit in Canada.